Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a Cobra 29LX Max. Gonna do a tune-up report for Anthony in Ohio. We did a RFX 95 on the back of here. And he's gonna have it mounted in a dash, you know, the walls right there. So we made these extensions to his switches so we could put them in through the wall. Okay, so I got one switch for a noise toy and one switch for the amplifier on and off. Alright, right now we got it off. So let's check out our power barefoot. 10 watts on the top scale. Coming in at 6. Using the middle scale. That's 20. I'm using that scale right there. Audio, check. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And now, back out. One of these switches here, that one. Alright, then we'll put this in the 30 watt scale on the bottom, 10, 20, 30. On the bottom. Because now my dead key is up to 20. 21. Alright. And we'll put a 100 slug here for peak power. And now we're on the bottom scale. So that's 40, that's 100. Hitting all these buttons over here. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Audio. Oh, I forgot to mention the echo we put, because I could hear it. We put that right here. All right. Nothing going on out there again today. About a 15. Anybody out there this morning? About a 16. Anybody out here this morning?
Yeah, who we got out there?
Screwdriver up here at the shop. How we doing out there?
Okay then, Screwdriver, you got the American Eagle. Sounding good, man.
10-4 American Eagle. Appreciate the comeback. 10-4 loud and proud. I'm going to get back out. Appreciate it. Take care. So there's a small little half-a-pound carrier there. That's what was heterodynaming his signal to make him sound like that.